later on, everybody recognized Bacardi and Coke as Cool Body itself. But then again, our Cuban friends now refer to this as La Mentirita, the little lie. But that's a whole different story. That pretty long set of Bacardi Gold, just fill up the tall glass up to the top with ice and Coke, and that little wedge of lime, it's for those who like to squeeze the limes into their Cool Body with drinks. The daiquiris, we all go to the bars and clubs. They do serve us all these nice frozen daiquiris. Peach, mango, strawberries, banana, you name them, they'll make them. But the original daiquiri was not frozen. Strictly lime juice, sugar, with Bacardi light rum. But its name, daiquiri, it came from these mines, you see. They were called the daiquiri mines. In the southeastern part of Cuba, an American engineer named John Cox, who worked in those mines, what would he do after work? Well, he'll mix his Bacardi light rum to some lime juice and sugar and give it to his friends and co-workers later, who go to different bars and have all these bartenders recreate the same little drink for them. Until one day, one bartender did stop them and asked them for the name of the drink. And he had none. So he asked them where they were from. They said they worked at the daiquiri mines. So the bartender suggested that whenever they return back to his bar and they want that same little drink prepared, they should order it by just saying daiquiri. And from there, he would know what to mix. But it's a very simple drink. At home, you get yourselves a nice little 7-ounce cocktail glass. First thing that you do, you fill this up with ice. In your shaker, your mixers, you also put a bit of ice in it, but with 1.5 ounces of Bacardi light rum, 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then we're going to shake this baby. Shake it well. So the sugar and the ice will begin to dissolve into the lime juice and rum to give us a nice little lemonade effect. Then we're going to screen the used ice and pour the whole entire liquid into the cocktail glass, and you will have yourself a nice little homemade lime daiquiri. And it's just that simple. Mojito, that famous Cuban drink, consists of spearmint leaves, lime juice, sugar, Bacardi light rum club, soda. It is actually the oldest cocktail drink ever created with Bacardi. The drink itself dates back as far back as when the company itself was established in 1862. Before that, they made sort of the same type of drink, but they used a very strong flavor of rum in those times. So strong it was that the drink itself even carried a pirate name to it. But after the company was established and came out with a light, clearer, a better tasting rum, they did the same mix, but later, decades later, they renamed it Mojito. Now this is the way you guys are going to make them at home. You get yourself a nice 10-ounce but thick glass. In it first, put in about 10 or 12 spearmint leaves with 1.5 ounces of Bacardi light rum. The next step, you will first mash the leaves down into the rum, so the essence and flavors of the spearmint gives the rum a mint taste. Then you add your lime juice to it, preferred freshly squeezed, about 1 ounce or 1.5 ounces, 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar. Stir all that up together, then you fill it up to the top with ice, club soda, and stir again. That will be your Mojito mix made at home. You can log on to our website, Bacardi.com. Check out those recipes, there's many more, which include our new flavored rums that have just come out. Now, Bacardi Superior Light Rum is the most sold premium rum in the world, but is also known as the most mixable one because it's the rum with the least amount of aftertaste in it, so it's going to help us to really enjoy more flavors that are inside our cocktail drinks. Bacardi Gold, the 2-year age rum, best suited for sodas like the Bacardi Coke, Sprite, Ginger Ale, 7-Up, Pepsi, or Diet Soda. But for the more serious Bacardi drinkers, hey, those who really like to sip on our rums, Bacardi has created 2 special type of reserves for us. We got the 8 years, Ocho Años, also sold in the States, Canada, Europe, Australia, and part of South America. That 8-year rich rum on ice will give us a light bourbon-like flavor to it at first, a bit of that sweet side, because it is rum, which makes it very, but very mixable. Reserva Limitada, limited reserve. It is a blend of 10, 16 years age rums for an average of 12 to 14 years. It is now available for you in some very few local stores, and very few selected duty-free shops. In its first 6 years of production, this rum was only sold in our gift shop. In fact, it was even once a hand-barreled rum. Yes, Bacardi in Puerto Rico did fill up a hand-rated seal that were cork, and each bottle is actually numbered on the back as it comes out of production. From there to our gift shop, for folks like yourselves right now, who have just taken time out of your lives today to come here to see what this company is all about. But how do you drink such a rum? Simply on its own, in a nice little brandy or cognac glass, without any ice, without any water, swirl it around a bit, put your nose to it, capture the sweet and rich aroma that comes out of that rum, plus enjoy the complex flavor of a 12-year-old rum after its making. It is not available for you, so very few local stores, very few selected duty-free shops, and pretty soon to a liquor store near you. Are we clear?
Yes.
My name is Tomas. It's been my pleasure. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.